This is a reminder of how to snap your screen. Snapping your screen is a really great tool, and it helps you quickly space two windows side by side. The very first thing that you do is open the two windows that you want to use. Here's a spreadsheet document that we'll be using in our next unit. And here is an open Google Docs document. I wasn't quite signed in, but now I'm signed in. And now I'm going to teach you how to snap the screen. It's very easy. So the very first thing that you do is click and drag one of the tabs down. Once you drag down and let go, and by the way, you click with your left clicker on your mouse, and you place your cursor right up in the tab, drag down and let go. Then it opens up that window onto the full computer. Next, you press the Windows key on your computer and the right arrow key. Now, sometimes it will have these options, and you can choose which one to open, and it will open one of them evenly spaced on the other side. Sometimes the document that it opens up on the other side will take up the whole screen behind the screen you're in. And if that happens, you just click on that screen and do Windows left arrow. And there you have it, you have snapped the screen. I'm going to show that to you one more time. So I'm going to put those two back together. I'm going to make that big. Okay, so to snap the screen, I have two documents or two tabs that I want open at the same time. So for example, I could do research on one side and take my notes and create a presentation on the other side. In order to snap the screen, I have to click up in the tab top with my left mouse clicker, and then I need to pull and drag down and let go. Then it fills the screen. Then I press Windows right arrow key, which enables me to choose any of my open windows to open up on the left side. So I click it, and there they're evenly spaced on the left side. If one of the windows is still full size, you just have to click on that window and then press Windows left screen. I hope this helps you in snapping your screen.